Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you are a job recruiter and you're looking for a professional, affordable website for your recruitment business, you're certainly in the right place. So keep watching this video today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your recruiter business. If you haven't heard of MultiSites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market recruiter. Let's go ahead and select that one. Awesome. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is located, you can enjoy the MultiSite service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to service. Click on continue and let MultiSite work its magic and create a simple website for my recruiter business. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of MultiSites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see, completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got your own images of your recruiter business and you want to showcase them on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to the content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. You don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional of any kind, and you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this process either. You can do it all yourself. So let's get into it. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here. That is click to call, by the way. Now, if you've got a physical location, street address, put it in. If you don't have one, maybe your virtual business, do leave it out. Great thing about that physical location, when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps when your website is live. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's move along. If you have a logo, head on over to update logo, browse your device and upload that logo. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, frames, click on that pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save. Over here on the right, you can make your logo bigger and smaller. Awesome. Now with MultiSites as well, we pre-selected the colors used throughout your website for you. If you want to amend the colors to suit your branding a little bit better, click on the paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So many to choose from. Now for each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image first. Now, over here, you can browse your device and upload your own images. Otherwise, search through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from. Otherwise, we've recently introduced the feature on the MultiSites platform where you can actually connect your Instagram and pull in your images from your Instagram feed. So I'm going to go ahead and set up that. I'm just using this this Instagram account over here that I made specifically for this video. So it's not really relating to a recruiter, but that's completely okay. It's just to give you a good example of how it works and how easy it is to use. So let's go ahead and head back into that editing of our website and see if our Instagram images have pulled in. Excellent. Look at that. So that's pulled in my Instagram images over here. You can change each section, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Let's just move along and show you the other sections and functions on your website. Now, over here, you can head to update action. You can update the button text. It currently says contact us today. You can change that, and you can choose various links for that button to link to. Under contents is where you can change the content to suit your business needs that was pre written for you. Under update design, you can change the color options for each section, which is a new feature as well we've recently introduced. So you can change the colors specifically for the section, but if you'd like to reset it to the standard colors that you already chose, the full theme, it will reset it by you choosing your theme color palette over there. Awesome, it's changed the section now, that color that I had chosen. You can also change the layout as well. Image can be on the right if you wish, or you can change it to the left or reset it back to the original layout. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. Under update image, you can select from your Instagram that we've just selected over there and connected. Not really relating to a recruiter business, but that's pretty much how it works. Remember, for each section, you want to make amendments to click on update section and work your magic. And the last section over here is the lead form where your customers can reach out to you, put in their details, and you will get notified via your registered email you have a new lead via this form. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it as well by clicking on I already have a domain. Otherwise, you can purchase a new domain by clicking on I want a new domain. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business and really wishing you and your business mighty success.